Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Vechain update for today, Friday, 11th of February, and join me into the Discord if you don't want to miss this updates on daily YouTube updates. So right now it's looking golden. Okay, this coin to me is doing what it is supposed to do to actually to start that rally towards the upside. Of course, it's a very painful coin right now, and that's because of Bitcoin. Okay, if you just saw this downtrend like this, Bitcoin was doing it. Okay, Bitcoin was actually doing all those kind of stupid stuff right now, and Bitcoin broke down the downtrend, and VeChain has broken the downtrend. It's final. Okay, there is no any downtrend anymore at this point of time based on the charts, because once you go downwards, move to the sideways, breakout, come for the retest, wow, you're looking to go to the moon basically. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to connect these wicks together and just look at that, beautifully done, beautifully done. Okay, so that's the break of a trend, and that's what you want to see when it comes to trading any kind of coin. So to me, this one is absolutely amazing right now. Patience do pay dividends, and if you're not patient, if you don't like the coin, don't buy the coin. Okay, but I'm still gonna support this one right now because the view to the downside here is not gonna happen. Okay, as long as we are now breaking the downtrend, you cannot go down. Simple. It's a very simple formula. Okay, remember this one. So there are some market phases that I actually want to tell you that you see on the weekly. Anytime you did that, when you go down like this, boom, make that V-shape kind of recovery, went down, boom, another V. So basically you're just putting the same thing right now, and from here, guys, just look what happened. We took off. Look what is happening again. We're taking off. It's time for me to actually discuss the fifth wave and the reason why a lot of people have been watching this video lately. You see, VeChain itself as a project is amazing. You cannot just deny the fact. Let's actually go to Google right now and let's open up coinmarketcap.com. And I would like to actually open up this website and search for VeChain. VeChain just right there. And guys, look at the number. What's the ranking of VeChain? Where do you see the ranking, by the way? Um, I just want to see what's the rank. Okay, so out of all those thousands and thousands of coins, VeChain is ranking at number 39. Okay, there is a reason why VeChain is ranking at 39, because it's a solid team effort behind the movements that they're doing. Now, I just want to actually read the history with you and why I do think that now is the time for VeChain to go up. So anytime in a market cycle, you see you're gonna go up and down like this in a wavy form and just continue to the upside, and then you make sideways movements, and then there's a distribution, and then hence the downside starts. So when the downside starts, let's go back to the history for this wave 1 to 2, the wave number 1 to second count. Well, I'm gonna drop in another, this trend line, and look, it broke the trend line. Just look at that. And whenever, now what you saw right there from the 3 to 4 wave is very similar to what you see right now, this one. So you went down, came up, down, came up, down, and finally you broke the trend line, came back for the retest, and look how you hold the trend line, and then you continue to the upside. So the support was respected right there. You broke out of a downtrend, and look what happens next. You absolutely went to the upside, and even when you went to the upside, you were making retracement. You went down, make a nasty retracement. You went up, make a nasty retracement. Up, another nasty retracement, and then you continue. And that third wave was really, really, really big one, an amazing one, until you went all the way to the 27 cents. Now, what you did is you actually came down, you were making some few consolidation points, and then you put in the fourth wave. Do you see that? So if this is your fourth wave, because once again, I'm going to tell you, you don't want to go below the first wave, which is this one right here. So if this is your fourth wave bottom, and you're actually respecting the Elliott wave theory based on that, so you went for the first, second, third, fourth. So it's a long process. Yes, it is a long process, but it's a positive process nonetheless. Do you understand that? If you look at it, at things based on the bird's view, this is amazing. This is already amazing. We are still following the plan, okay? Yes, we came down, but now we're looking for that fifth wave. And in my opinion, if things get really good, Bitcoin is also breaking out of a downtrend, then you might start to push that rally into the upside. just the same way you did with the first wave. Do you see that? You went down and down and down. People were pissed off here, and then it went up. Same thing, first, second wave. We're down and down and down and down. People are getting pissed off. Who knows? Time to put that leg to the upside. So, what is the time frame that it can take? Okay, so from here to here, that nearly took from November 2020 to April, nearly 5 months to actually go to the upside. So is this bull run going to continue for the next, let's say, even 2-3 months? You can actually go for a 280% increase. Who knows? You can just continue to the 0.4, 0.5 or the 0.72 cents and continue to the upside. That's actually a possible scenario. What I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat this first wave from the top to the bottom, which second until there. Look where this one went, all the way up to the 3.618. Just look right on the fib money. Why is it even connecting with one another, guys? This is the beauty of the trading ecosystem. So I'm actually going to extend this fib retracement, and look, I took the top to the bottom, and where did it just hit its head? 3.618, right bang on the money. And that's where you actually find resistance, right? And this was your technical target, by the way. If you asked me back when we were down here what could have been the technical target, I would have told you the 1.618. But now let's move to this one, to this wave right here, and let's see where we can actually go. So this was your wave, this top here to the bottom right there. If we actually do repeat history and we go to the 3.618, this is crazy. You can have $7.9. Who knows? But to me, if you ask me, guys, 1.618 is on the cards, and that's actually where your fifth wave is looking to go, basically 1.618. So this price target is going to be there, and potentially even the 2. Okay, the 7.7, some of people do say that we can see $1, which is the 2.272, and yes, it's on the fibs right there. And if the first wave to the second wave can go to the 3.618, then tell me a good reason why this one cannot go to the 3.618. It's still possible. But yes, finger crossed, not a financial advice though. And I'm just gonna end it up from here, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.